Hey collectors, welcome back to the Collectiverse. In today's video, we are going to unbox the Hot Wheels Silver Series Vintage Club. We got 5 cars here. We are going to start with the first in the set, BMW 507, an instant classic. I love this casting. I have a chase version of it in yellow from 2024, and this is one of my favorite BMW castings. Let me know your thoughts on this one, if you like this casting or this car in particular. Um, Glad that I am getting an opportunity to add another variant of this car to my collection. I like the car design on this set as well. Overall, it looks good. I like the interior work, black and brown leather, looks good. Black outerior and interior is brown. Out of the box even looks better. Here it has number 56 on the side and on the top of the hood. Looks really awesome. I don't know, this one I'm confused if it is metal or plastic. Sounds like metal. I could be wrong, but yeah, overall good mid-tier quality. The wheels are also fine, not the best, but yeah, it is what it is. Next, we got custom or personalized 1970 Honda N600. I like the color of this one, bright orange. Yeah, wheels are not that good. The black paint in the middle is fine, I guess. Not bad at all. I can instantly say that this is a plastic chassis, so that's it is easy to tell. I mean, the quality of the body is looking to be, you know, pretty good, but not the wheels or the chassis. It's plastic. Yeah. Yeah. Overall, the details on the headlights looks good. The paint job looks pretty good. Honda has the number plate, not bad at all. The interior is full black, which is fine. Yeah, I have a weakness for convertibles, so yeah, that's why I like this one a lot better than this. But yeah, I mean, nothing to say about the chassis. It's very basic. Yeah, overall, okayish. Alfa Romeo GT V6 30. Um, I do like this casting. I have other variants, mostly main lines, and I think there is a premium version as well from 2024, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, not a huge fan, but I don't mind having it in my collection. This one has too much going on, which I actually like. It has some logos, Pirelli, Alfa Romeo on the side. What's it says? Bilstein Momo. So yeah, it has number 30 on it. Chassis looks to be seems to be it's plastic again. Let's take this out of the package. Here you can see very basic wheels. I don't know what's going on with this. They can be, I mean, look, it doesn't have to be premium or, rubber tires, but they can be creative about the wheels. Anyways, I think for the price, that's the best they can do. I like the logos on the side, and overall the silver and black combination is going pretty well. Here is a closer look at the chassis. Plastic. ARGT V6, that's the number plate. That's a nice touch. Headlights, tail lights are well detailed compared to what we have seen in other cars. Yep, overall pretty solid one. I like it. Next we got the 1965 Ford Galaxy. Personally, not my cup of tea, but for classic collectors or classic fans, it's a must-have, I believe. The red color looks really good on this one. It has number 65, 427 CI, Ford at the side, Goodyear logo. What else? Bell and some other logos. It's too small. I really can't focus right now. Overall, yeah, it's fine. As I said, not a huge fan, but for like classic or vintage collectors, it's a solid base. It has some weight to it, so that's a good thing. Yeah, interior is very basic. That's fine. Yeah, the color looks good. The color combinations, the stripe, golden stripe, is pretty good. On the side, it has, yeah, I still can't really see what it says, but it has Hot Wheels logo over here. Yeah, and the chassis, I don't know, it feels metal, but I could be wrong. I don't know. Whenever it's like silver chassis, I get confused. Let me know in the comments. Most probably this is plastic. Yeah, I have heard that the Chase, I mean, they're calling it the Chase, has the metal chassis, so we can compare like how that sounds when we knock on it. That will help us to understand if these are plastic or what. There is a chip in the paint. Anyways, doesn't really matter. Putting it here. The final car in the set. I mean, they're calling it the Chase, but I really don't know how this Chase variant works in the Silver Series. Yeah, Porsche, one of my favorites, so always a pleasure having it in my collection, and adding a new version of this is just, you know, awesome. So this one is Porsche 356 Outlaw. I love the color. It has that spectrum flame purple or navy blue. I think navy blue, yeah, that's the color they're going with. So I like it. I like the white stripe, black chassis. Yeah, it looks to be metal. Let's take it out of the package so that we can take a closer look. Here we go. 365 Goodyear Castrol logo on the side. I love this color design. This is the I think the oil tank, or yeah. Love the details on the headlights. Tail lights are fine as well. Porsche written at the back. Here is the chassis. You see, this is metal. If we, I mean, it sounds the same. Yeah. I'm not gonna even try for these two. These two are definitely plastic, and this one, I don't think this is. I'm not sure, so I'm not gonna guess. Anyways, yeah, great addition. Another Porsche. Um, the inside, the interior is pretty basic, but again, it has some details to it. So that's something. I like the color on this one, absolutely stunning. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Definitely number one in the set for me, at least. Number two, I would say three, four, and five. I would really like to know if you guys agree with me or not. Share your ranking in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.